Let's divide 230 by 2. Hey Math Explorers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Ready to divide 230 by 2? Let's start. We look at the first digit of 230, which is 2. We're using just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Perfect. Now subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. We have no remainder here. Awesome start. You're doing fantastic. We've got the first digit of our answer. Now let's bring down the next digit. Time for the next digit. We bring down the 3. We now have 3 as our new partial number to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 equals 2. We're getting closer. Subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. We have a remainder of 1. You're doing so well. Keep that amazing energy up. We have another digit for our answer. Let's bring down the last digit. Last digit time. We bring down the 0, joining our remainder 1. Look, we have 10 to divide by 2. This is our last partial number. How many times does 2 go into 10? It's 5 times. Let's check. 5 times 2 is exactly 10. Spot on. Subtract. 10 minus 10 equals 0. No remainder left. Woohoo, you crushed it. High five. We've used all the digits and found our answer. We're all done. So 230 divided by 2 equals 115. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 230 by 2, step by step. Remember, even big numbers become manageable when we break them down. Keep practicing, and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to check out our other math adventures on Let's Stud.